If you live anywhere in America and you turn the news on these days, all you see is divisiveness, crime, and anger. It seems like we're so far away from the things that built our great country and made us all Americans. Like many American cities, Detroit was a center for industry and good jobs, but the factories closed up or moved away and took the jobs with them. Today, just like a lot of other urban centers, close to half the children in these cities live close to or below the poverty line. Without jobs, poor neighborhoods get poorer, and disinvestment, lack of educational opportunity, and barriers to employment compound themselves. How can we bring the glory back to cities like Detroit, St. Louis, Chicago, Cincinnati? How do we bring back high-paying careers to the areas that need them, and more importantly, keep them there? I say we need to work with what we got. The current skills gap in the U.S. could leave an estimated 2.4 million positions unfilled by 2028 with an economic impact of $2.5 trillion. Manufacturing careers are some of the highest paying jobs with the lowest barriers of entry. Manufacturing careers drastically reduce both crime and recidivism rates. Entry-level manufacturing jobs lead to some of the highest paying careers like aerospace engineering. And cities like Detroit, Cincinnati, St. Louis, and all across America have got a lot of world-class manufacturers across all sectors like aerospace and medicine, not to mention the great hospitals and universities. If these anchor institutions, economic powerhouses of the cities who spend billions of dollars every year on goods and services they use every day, committed to these neighborhoods, these overlooked and underserved communities, and help upskill the people who need the work the most, we could begin to change America, one city at a time. We tried to bring the people to the trade, and now it's time to bring the trade to the people. So until then, I'll be going to every city, connecting the job seekers to those jobs we desperately need filled. Welcome to the Renaissance.